So to withdraw from our account, it's very simple. So in effect, because you've got your own share portfolio sitting with Linear and your own ANZ bank account, you need to instruct us, to instruct Linear basically to do as you wish. So the easiest thing to do is to get in contact with myself or our team, and let us know what you'd like to do. So in the event, let's just say that you needed to sell everything down now, there might have been a personal emergency and you need to access your capital. We have the ability to sell. All your assets are generally held in highly liquid markets, so we can sell as long as that relevant market's open that day or that night. We call that what's called a hard exit, where we can just take your individual portfolio, put it on the market, sell it, and then in generally T+2 days, the cash will be ready and we can deposit it in your account.
Yeah, so most global markets trade on what they call T+2, which is whatever day you trade on plus another 2 days is when the cash actually hits the account.
Yeah. So that's a hard exit, and obviously the only real impact there is that rather than getting the grouped brokerage, we just have a one-to-one relationship with the broker, and there's a chance that the brokerage will be higher. That being said, if you need to get your money out quickly, though, that might be just a price that needs to be paid. The second option is that you may wish to, there may be some expenditure coming up in the future that you can see coming that you can plan around, in which case you just need to let us know, I guess, the approximate timeline that you are looking to sell down your account. And what we'll do then is over a number of weeks, we can have the ability then to manage the brokerage for you and match off trades. And as new money comes into Nucleus Wealth, we can make sure that we keep that brokerage down. We call that a soft exit. And basically, if the more time you can give us, the more that we can work with you to make sure that your exit costs are minimised. And then, of course, all we need to do is just transfer it from, instruct Linear to transfer it from the ANZ bank account into your nominated bank account.
The third option as well is that if you ever wanted to, you can actually take the stock. Mm-hmm. So effectively, all we're doing is managing your accounts. You can effectively just say, well, today I'd like to take Nucleus off that, and so we no longer have the rights to direct those accounts. You still have the shares, you still have the cash and everything like that sitting in your accounts, and then you can do whatever you like with that, whether you just choose to manage that yourself or transfer to somewhere else and keep any of the capital gains tax issues you have or anything like that. So at any time you can just decide to do that with your portfolio.
Yep. So there's a number of ways that we can help you if you need the money elsewhere.